9 signs your blood sugar is high. The condition of having high blood sugar is also called hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia occurs when there is too much glucose, which is sugar which your body uses to fuel its metabolic activities, in your bloodstream. Also, having regular high blood sugar can also indicate that you have diabetes. Diabetes is a condition in which your body is unable to convert any excess glucose that your body does not need into glycogen, which is the stored form of glucose, which can be used later when your body needs glucose. So, this is why it is very important that you are aware of the signs of having high blood sugar. The most common signs of high blood glucose are 1. Excessive thirst. A high blood sugar often causes you to feel thirsty very often, even if you drink water regularly. This is because your kidneys need to remove the excess glucose which is built up in your bloodstream. And because of this, you will feel the need to go pee frequently, and along with losing the glucose in your blood, you will also lose water. Thus, as your kidneys constantly filter the excess glucose from your blood, you will continue to lose water and thus feel extremely thirsty. Number 2, food cravings, especially sweets. Extreme food cravings or insatiable hunger usually means that you have diabetes. This is because when you have diabetes, your body, more especially your pancreas, is unable to produce enough insulin to absorb the excess glucose from your blood, and thus, your blood cells are unable to use the readily available sugar you have in your blood to fuel their activities. And when this happens, your brain does not get the sugar it needs to carry out its activities, and then it will send you signals of hunger. You will then feel hungry and crave sweet foods despite having a high blood sugar. This is why it is important for you to consult a doctor as soon as possible and get tested for diabetes if you keep feeling extremely hungry despite eating regularly. Number 3, fatigue. With high blood sugar levels, you may often feel tired. This is because during this condition of hyperglycemia, your body is unable to handle the excess sugars in your blood as it would normally do if normal levels of glucose, that is sugar, was present. Also, having high blood sugar level alone is not the only case for fatigue. Fatigue can sometimes even occur because of inflammation in your diet and because of unhealthy lifestyle habits such as poor diet, lack of exercise, and excessive caffeine or alcohol intake. If you experience fatigue along with the other symptoms of hyperglycemia, then you should not delay going to a doctor. Number 4, weight loss. If your blood sugar is constantly high and you experience sudden or extreme weight loss, then this is a strong indication that you may have diabetes. This is because when you have diabetes, your body is unable to make enough insulin, which is a hormone that converts glucose, that is, sugar, into energy which is used as fuel for your body cells. Now, because of lack of insulin, your blood sugar spikes, and worse, your body cells do not get any energy. When this happens, your body starts to break down the proteins and fats in your muscles and tissues, and you start to lose weight. Losing weight this way is not at all healthy, and it could have serious repercussions on your overall health. So pay close attention to any correlation between your blood sugar level and any weight loss you experience. Number 5, frequent urination. When your blood sugar is too high, you will feel the need to pee more frequently. This is because your kidneys will try to remove the excess glucose in your blood in urine. And when this happens, you also lose water, so as a result, you will keep feeling the urge to drink water and you will thus use the washroom more often. It is kind of a vicious cycle, and thus, it is very important for you to notice the signs your body gives you so you can take proper action at the right time and thus avoid any complications. Also, you need to watch out for any burning sensation that might occur, because sometimes when your blood sugar is too high, you are prone to developing urinary tract infections. So, if you feel the need to urinate frequently and feel pain or any burning sensation when using the bathroom, do not ignore it and take immediate action and go see a doctor. Number 6, blurred vision. Blurred vision is when things you see are not sharp and clear. They look blurry. Too high blood sugar levels can sometimes give you blurred vision, but you need not worry as often. Once your blood sugar level drops to normal, you will see things fine again. Since blurry vision can also be a sign of myopia, which is a vision condition, you can also book an appointment with an eye doctor to make sure that the blurry vision you are seeing is because of hyperglycemia and not because you have myopia, in which case you will need prescription glasses to enable you see things better. Number 7, slow healing of cuts or wounds. Now, this one might terrify you a little bit, which is why you need to pay close attention so that you can take proper care of yourself. Because of too much sugar in your bloodstream, your blood vessels start to narrow, and this causes poor circulation to all your organs. This poor circulation prevents your body cells from getting all the oxygen that they need to function properly. Hence, in case of even smaller cuts or wounds, your body cells are unable to respond quickly to heal your wounds. Thus, your cuts and bruises can take far longer to heal than normal. And this is not all. The excess sugar in your blood can also cause damage to your nerves, especially the nerves in your hands and feet, such that when you get cuts or bruises on these areas of your body, you do not immediately sense the wound because of your damaged nerves. It takes you longer to feel the pain resulting from these wounds. Also, hyperglycemia can weaken your immune system and make you more prone to infections. How your immune system protects your body is a rather complex process, so rather, watch out for any signs that indicate that your wounds are taking longer than usual to heal, and then make sure to check your blood sugar level, and most importantly, take a test for diabetes, because it is very common in diabetic people for wounds to heal slowly. Number 8. Itching. If you feel very itchy for no reason, before tearing your flesh apart by scratching it, monitor your blood sugar level. It will likely be high. This is because, as mentioned earlier, too high blood sugar levels can damage your nerves, and there may be inflammatory substances in your blood which cause itching. Number 9. Glucose in your urine. Now, you will only be able to find glucose in your urine when you perform a urine test. And if indeed the test confirms that you have glucose in your urine, then this not only means that your blood sugar levels are high, but it also means that you are diabetic. This is because glucose is not a normal constituent of urine. Your kidneys will only excrete glucose in urine if you have a health condition. So, a urine test is your best to find out if the high blood sugar levels you have are because of the food you consumed or if you are diabetic. Make sure to watch out for these 9 signs of high blood sugar. Also, time for a bonus now. If you have high blood sugar or you are a diabetic, you need to be very selective about the foods that you eat, as some carbohydrate-rich foods can cause your blood sugar levels to shoot up. And you would not want that to happen if you already have high blood sugar, right? Point is, we can use the glycemic index to find out which foods will cause the blood sugar level to spike and which foods rank lower on the glycemic index, meaning they have less sugar in them. Using a glycemic index is also very useful for diabetics to maintain their blood glucose levels. This is an example of a glycemic index. You can look up any other glycemic index on the internet, but for this video, let's look at this one. As you can see, it gives you the typical ranges. A glycemic index of 1 to 55 means it is low in sugar, 56 to 69 is medium, and 70 to 100 is high, which means these foods will cause your blood sugar levels to spike. By using the glycemic index of foods, you will be able to control your blood sugar levels. Still, if you experience any of the signs of hyperglycemia, make sure to see a doctor. Lastly, if you gained valuable information from this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more informative content to keep you and your loved ones healthy. Until next time, take care.